From AccuWeather.com, this is AccuWeather Daily, a brief host-read article. It's weather news in a nutshell. AccuWeather meteorologists are warning that a potent storm is expected to move in from the Pacific on Wednesday and Thursday, bringing drenching rain, heavy mountain snow, and travel disruptions to the West Coast. Warmth will linger along the Pacific Coast states until the storm's arrival, and soon after rain begins on Wednesday night, temperatures are expected to drop sharply over the Sierra Nevada, allowing snow to accumulate quickly above the passes in northern areas. Over the ridges and peaks above 8,000 feet, a couple of feet of snow and blizzard conditions are possible as strong winds develop. At Donner Pass, California, along Interstate 80, most of the storm will bring rain or a mixture of rain and wet snow from Wednesday night to Thursday morning. During the latter part of the storm, temperatures are forecast to drop, resulting in a period of heavy snow from midday to Thursday evening. Whiteout conditions and several inches up to a foot of snow are possible, causing treacherous travel over the summit. AccuWeather's Brett Anderson said in the Lake Tahoe area, which is a bit lower in elevation, rain during Thursday morning and midday will be followed by a change to wet snow later Thursday afternoon before ending by evening. From 1 to 3 inches of slushy snow seems likely at the resort area. Temperatures are not expected to fall quickly enough for snow over the Southern California passes, but rain, wind, and fog could still lead to hazardous travel conditions in the mountains. Over much of California's lower elevations, the storm will bring a period or two of drenching rain that could lead to ponding, flash flooding, and mudslides. Significant travel delays are likely due to rain during the height of the storm, affecting both roadways and airports. The bulk of the rain for San Francisco and the Bay Area in general will fall from Wednesday night into Thursday morning. For LA, the rain should be the heaviest on Thursday afternoon and evening rush hour. Most of the rain will fall on San Diego during Thursday night, but should be gone by Friday morning. Between a half inch and an inch of rain is likely around LA. Lower rainfall totals are expected in San Diego and higher amounts to the north along the California coast and along the west and southwest facing slopes of the Coast Ranges and in the lower elevations of the Sierra Nevada, Siskiyous, and Oregon Cascades. A general inch or so of rain is likely in San Francisco. From 2 to 4 inches of rain is likely along the lower seaward-facing slopes of the Coast Ranges in northern California and southern Oregon. The AccuWeather local storm max rainfall for the storm is 6 inches. There may be a slight split in the storm's rain and mountain snow in parts of Oregon, with another wave of precipitation likely in Washington and southern British Columbia. From late Wednesday into Thursday, rain is expected over the Cascade Passes in Washington due to the storm. Colder air, lingering moisture, and the arrival of a second, weaker storm could produce snow over the passes on Friday, creating some slippery travel conditions across the Northwest. Astronomers have spotted the largest and most distant flare ever observed from a supermassive black hole. Nicknamed Superman, the flare originated 10 billion light-years from Earth, and at its peak, the light emitted shone with the brightness of 10 trillion suns. The source of the flare is an active galactic nucleus, which is a bright, compact region at the center of a galaxy, and it's powered by a supermassive black hole that is actively feeding on material. Gas and dust fall into a rotating disk around the black hole, and as the debris spirals more rapidly, it becomes superheated, releasing intense radiation. Researchers pondered what the gargantuan black hole consumed to release such a powerful flare. They concluded it likely gobbled up a massive star that would have otherwise been destined to end its life by exploding. Now, the flare suggests there are unknown populations of giant stars near the centers of large galaxies, which also host supermassive black holes, and sheds light on the complicated interactions between two behemoths. That's all for now. You can find more regional forecasts and science-based articles at AccuWeather.com. And for your local forecast at your fingertips, download the AccuWeather app. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with more from AccuWeather.